Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel. And today's video I'm gonna show you how to stop KMPlayer TV or KMPlayer ads. So without further ado, let's get started. First I'm going to control panel, go to Windows Firewall, and then go to advanced setting. And then go to add new rule, select program. Next, now select a program that you don't allow to use your internet connection. So I'm gonna select KMPlayer.exe. Select this and then click on next button. Click all block the connection. Click on next description. Block KMPlayer. Click on finish. You're all set. Thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on bell icon. Thanks for watching.